Hello, Stackers. Regal Stacker here. My thanks go out to Numistacker. Thanks a lot, Numistacker, for getting this delivered to me. So let's get this opened. Bit of a hard job opening this. Here we are, and let's see what we have here. Lots of little packages. There's one, there's two, there's three, and there's four. That's it. That's padded. So let's take a look at these. Well wrapped. Excuse me. Obviously these are all coins that have been graded. So let's get them all out first. There's some more. Another one. And another one. Two more. Gold, silver, gold, silver. Here comes the last one. Gold, silver, silver. There we are. So let's start off with the silver first. And here we have longest reigning monarch, P default, PF70 Ultra Cameo. What a great coin. I love the crown on it. There's the reverse. Then we have the MS70 DPL. This is the Sovereign, the Britannia. I know I said I got rid of Britannia, but basically I sent this to Numi before I got rid of it. It's a 2017, and it's an MS70, which is a great grade. And then you'll have seen this on Numi's channel. It's a Battle of Waterloo coin, PF70 Ultra Cameo. A great coin, look at that. And then, obviously, you saw the longest reigning monarch, the PF70 P default. This is the P default, sorry, my fault. That's the P default. Very thick. Well, here's the PF70 silver one. There you go. So there you go together. And I don't know why, but I've got this fascination with roosters. This is the Nui Year of the Rooster PF70 Ultra Cameo. Now that's a nice coin. again with the Queen's head on it. Right, let's take a... Now, here we have a 2016 half sovereign to go with my collection, obviously. A PF70. I'll leave that there. Oh, there's a 2016 sovereign, the first complete sovereign. Look at that. PF70 Ultra Cameo. And then we have the 2017 anniversary sovereign. And again, a PF70. I think this is a strike on the day one. I'll have to double check. Yeah, I think I got 2 strike on the days. So that's a strike on the day. I've had another silver there. And then we have a 20p PF70 Ultra Cameo. Now this is a rare coin. I don't think you'll find many PF70 2008 20p's. So, great coin. Let's show you this one. This is the 2017 Ares God of War antique MS70. Now that's a pretty good grade. But to pierce the resistance, and I'm going to do a separate video for this coin, is this coin. Look at that. That Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum, and it's United Emirates Gold. It's a PF70 Ultra Cameo. Now they've been making this coin for a few years, quite a few years, and the highest grade in any year is a 69. Well, this is the highest grade of any year, a PF70 with NGC anyway. So this is a unique coin, and I'll be doing a little video about this because I will be putting this up for sale, and I will expect there to be a few Arab collectors or a few collectors who might want to buy this, but obviously being a very unique coin, I think it's over 12 years, it's the only PF70 from NGC. Might be a bit shorter than that, but that is a great coin. Look at that detail on that. So that's Sheikh Mohammed Maktoum from the United Arab Emirates. And there's the palm tree. What a beautiful coin, eh? Now, coins like this are changing hands from, not this grade, are changing hands for £5,000, £6,000, £7,000. So, and you will notice that all these coins are PF70s or MS70s. I have this little fascination where I don't like, if you'll see most of my coins, 99% of them MS70s or PF70s. Because that's what I like. I like the coins to be right, perfect. And obviously, the great thing is I've got a complete, as you'll have seen, 5 coins sovereign set, plus I've got the strike on the day, plus I've got the P4, and plus I've got, the only one I'm missing is the BU one. So I've got some going to be graded BU, the BU £5 sovereign. So if anyone's got a PF70 and save me a job of getting it graded, I'm quite happy to buy it off you. Don't mind you making a bit of profit because it completes my set. So come back to me, and I will be doing a video about the 2017 sovereign set. So keep your eyes out. Keep your eyes open. This is Regal Stacker saying, tally ho. Bye bye.